Hi, I'm going to show you a quick way to create a page in Notion. It's a new account, so you've got the Getting Started page which tells you all of the different types of things, but what we're going to do is move over to the left-hand navigational column and click on Add a Page. What that does is create a new section in the navigation column called Untitled. If you then change the name of that, you'll see that it changes within here as well. You can also add covers. Of which you can change. That's just a random selection. You can change the cover. It can go to, you can upload special ones, go to Unsplash and get whatever photos that you can go from there or whatever. So we can leave it at that. We can add an icon. Again, it picks a random one first, but you can then click on it again and it will give you the option to pick whichever one you want. From an empty page, we have all of the options to build databases, but at this point in time, we are just going to enter some text. I already have some questions that I want to add in. Oops, just one lot. And for each of those, I want a bit of text underneath to give me some space to answer them in the question. So within that, I was going to add some headings. So let's say goals, drag that up to the top and put a colour on it. So go right click and go to colour, and then from there click on the 6 dots again, and I'm going to duplicate it and then duplicate it again, and that's going to take me to extra headings, of which I'm going to create one for products and one for audience, and move that down to those sections. So again, we've formatted the page so far, but I want to change that even more by creating a column. So by dragging again on the 6 dots and following where the blue line is showing you, it will create a new column. All of the fields are still obviously in their original formatting, so we need to again drag those up to the new column that we've created and put them in there. And that's it. You can add extra, if you click the plus, you can create to-do lists, headings, bullet lists, toggle bars, whole heap of things that you can add in here to create your page.